Hey guys, welcome to another Team Tech Squad video. In today's video, you're going to learn about what you can and cannot feed birds and how to create your very own bird feeder. So, you're going to need a few things to get started. You're going to need peanut butter. Don't let that blow away. Bird seed, which I have in a Ziploc bag here. You're going to need twine, an empty toilet paper roll or something very similar, and a baking dish that you can easily fit your paper towel roll or toilet paper roll inside of. To make things a little easier, you might want a popsicle stick and make things a little bit less messy. In case things do get messy though, I recommend putting down a newspaper and also keeping some paper towels close by just so you can wipe your hands off. Alright, so we're going to get started here. You're going to take your shallow dish and fill it about an inch with your bird seed. This is just for when you roll it after you're almost done with the bird feeder. So, peanut butter, messy time. You're going to take your popsicle stick or your finger if you want to get messy and just get a considerable amount of peanut butter and spread it all along the paper towel roll or toilet paper roll. Alright, so once you have a pretty thick coat of peanut butter on your paper towel roll or toilet paper roll, you're going to roll it into the bird seed. So, like I said, it did get a little bit messy, but that's okay. So you're just going to take it and press it in there so it will pick up some of the bird seed. You might have to roll it a few times to get it all of the peanut butter not showing, or at least most of it not showing. Now you're going to need some twine. This isn't an exact measurement, it depends on where you would like to hang your bird feeder from. I'm just going to get a decent amount and cut that off, and this is where you're going to want an adult's help for the scissors. Then you can take it, and I'm just going to keep it in the pan as I try threading it through. Just tie it right at the top in a double knot so it's nice and secure. And then voila! You're done. You got yourself a homemade bird feeder. Now that we have the bird feeder, it's gonna attract some birds, hopefully. And you might want to feed them other things. However, there are some foods that you should not feed them, such as fruit seeds or pits, large amounts of bread, which mean you can feed them some bread, but don't give them a whole loaf. That's too much. You can't give them chocolate or milk, which means you can't enjoy a glass of milk with them. Sorry. But there are some things you can feed them, such as fruit without seeds or pits, peanut butter, like this, and raisins, and of course, bird seed. Alright, so now we've got our bird feeder, and I'm going to put it right on this hook right outside the window so it's easy to see if we have any birds for some fun bird watching. Alright, just a little recap of what we did today. So, first of all, we made a pretty cool bird feeder. Second of all, we learned what we can feed birds, like fruits without seeds or pits, peanut butter and raisins, and bird seed. And some things you shouldn't feed birds are fruit, seeds, or pits, chocolate, or milk, and large quantities of bread. Thanks for watching Brookdale Library's Teen Tech Squad Workshop. Teen Tech Squad Workshops are sponsored by the Friends of Hennepin County Library. To learn more, check us out on the Hennepin County Library website, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram and TikTok at BD Teen Tech Squad. See you next time!